Hello! Today we're going to be learning about place value. Place value is very important when learning about addition and subtraction in math. Place value is the value of a digit depending on its position in the numbers, such as the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands places. In this movie, you'll learn about the place value and explore different numbers. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to observe a number based on its place value and identify what place each number in a number higher than 2 digits is taking up. So what is place value? In math, when we discuss place value, we are discussing what each number means in a given number that is larger than 2 digits. Here we can see the ones places, tens places, hundreds, and thousands places. Here are 5 blocks to depict the ones place in a number, and here are 2 tens blocks to depict the tens places and how much larger they are compared to the ones places in a number. And here's the hundreds block. Observe how much larger it is than the tens block, and same for the thousands place. It is much larger than the hundreds place. Here are a few examples. So in the number we have 25. It's equal to 25. Sometimes in place value it helps for you to write out the number so you can see the number or the word 20 as well as the word 5. It could also help if you think about it as 20 plus 5, or even 2 tens blocks plus 5 ones blocks to get the number 25. Next we'll look at the number 365. That would be 3 hundreds blocks, 6 tens blocks, and 5 ones blocks. Or you could think of it as 300 plus 60 plus 5. In our next example, we have 1,639. That could be 1 thousands block, 6 hundreds blocks, 3 tens blocks, and 9 ones blocks. Or it could be 1,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 9. And in our final example, 14, this one it doesn't really work to just write it out like it does in the other 3 examples. So in this one you could think of it as 10 plus 4, and that would give you 14. So let's practice on our own. What place value does the 1 in 314 hold? So if we remember, 314 is 3 hundreds blocks, 1 tens block, and 4 ones blocks. So the 1 would be in the tens place, or we could think of it as 300 plus 10 plus 4. In our next example, we have what place value does the 6 in 26 hold? So that could be 2 tens and 6 6 blocks, or that could be 20 plus 6, so the 6 is in the ones place. What place value does the 5 in 5,987 hold? Well, the 5 is 5,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 7, so our 5 is in the thousands place. And in our last example, what place value does the 4 in 643 hold? Well, that's 600 plus 40 plus 3. Or that's 6 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. So the 4 is in the tens place.